Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start in the Instagram app on your phone, open your profile and tap the top right menu. From there, go straight to Settings, then Security, and choose Access Data to view recent activity logs. You do this first because it lists the types of history Instagram stores. Once done, make sure you have your password or two-factor code nearby, since Instagram may prompt you to confirm identity before letting you clear any records. Next, review the categories. Look for search history, account activity, and login activity. You can clear search history with a single button or tap individual items to remove specific entries. This gives you control over what disappears. When you delete, Instagram often asks for confirmation. Accept it. Also understand why. Some activity types are cached for performance or security, so removing visible entries. To finish, log out and back in to force the app to refresh its local data. This helps ensure removed items no longer appear. On Android, clear the app cache, or on iOS, reinstall the app if entries persist locally. Make sure the app is updated and that two-factor authentication isn't blocking changes. If something goes wrong, errors, items reappearing, or access problems, double-check 2FA, update the app, then contact Instagram support as a troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.